yung mga tatawag na atlas. Alam mo, something that is related doon sa pag-study mo. So that you can be able na, actually ang sama dapat makaroon ng sarili mong library wherein you can just be able na go deeper sa salita ng Panginoon. Amen? Gusto mo maging, tawag dito, maging help ko sa amin. Ayaw mo namang mag-exert ng effort. Puro lang dito sa mind mo. Paano yun? So, a gift comes with responsibility. Be responsible doon sa... So, itong lessons na ito, okay? Salamat sa Panginoon. Kahit ganito na inaantok tayo, pero busy na ako na-close ang ating mga mata.
Pinabagay lang daw sa ano.
So, is there any hierarchy or superiority among the gift? Of course, on the contrary, those part of the body that seem to be weaker are indispensable. Lahat ay kailangan, ay necessary. All are indispensable ito. Imagine mo, kung sa katawan, ay sabi mo, saan kayang sa katawan ang pwede nating tanggalin? Mawala sa atin? Wala, di ba? Lahat ay kailangan natin yan. Sa bawat competence. Now, what is the purpose of this? Okay, for the perfection of the saints, or so that we can make sure na every saints of God will grow into maturity. Okay? 5 years from now, pag bumisita ulit tayo dito, makikita natin, wow! Tayo, sabi ko, makikita natin na lahat ay nagpa-function na into different ministry effectively. Amen? Once you grow now into maturity, God expects you to work for the ministry. Okay? And of course, as you work in the ministry, you're now strengthening the ministry. You are now becoming one of the reasons why the ministry is already growing. And that is one na dapat natin tignan sa role natin. And above all, ito lagi pinapala sa atin, this is my Father's glory, that you may bear much fruit, showing yourself to be my disciples. If you did not choose me, but I choose you and appointed you to go and bear fruit that will last, then the Father will give you whatever you ask. Ang maganda dito, as we being used mightily by the Lord, okay, the Lord, the Father in heaven will give you whatever you ask. Ibang klase yan. Okay, kaya nga napakasarap na maglingkod sa Panginoon. Because when you please God Himself, whatever you ask, God will give you. Amen? And that is something na dapat natin i-bear. And we are blessed. And kaya naman sabi na, as you serve God, alam ng Panginoon itong principle na to. For the workman is worthy of his meat. Lahat ng labor natin, lahat ng pagpapagal natin, lahat ito ay may reward.